Yo, what's up, guys? Why are you guys painted like that? Oh, we're repainting, never finished. Oh, okay. What the? Why are they here?
Spino walks into a bar, and the bartender looks at him and says, "Why the long face?" Wow, it's actually hilarious.
So I kinda, hate to ask, but, why are you guys here? This is for tiger raptors.
Are you saying we're not tiger raptors? We've been here since 1987. All tigers are tigers, okay?
Okay.
Damn, run off, you little racist.
Ooh, Malcolm dispenser. Oh shit, I got a mainline one.
Guys, look. No way. Bro. Dude, look. There's a new figure.
Hey, come on, new guy, show us your face.
Yeah, come on, dude.
Yeah, take that brag off your head. Oh, what the
What the fuck?